The example applications are the main documentation for this library. They include examples for beginners and advanced users, and they demonstrate how to use the library and cover all of the features available. On the website, go to the Download section and select your preferred language. I'll use C# for this video, but the Visual Basic one works in the same way. Save it in a folder of your choice. Here I'm saving it in a folder called FSUIPCClientDLL in my Downloads folder. Go to the downloaded file and unzip it. Go into the unzipped folder and double-click the solution file to load it up. To see the examples working, you need to have FlightSim or WideClient.exe running on your computer. I have FSX Steam Edition loaded. Build and run the example application. You can use the left-hand menu to explore all the features of the library and see them in action. For example, here is a demo of getting back basic payload information such as the gross weight of the aircraft and the total payload weight. In the top right of each example is a link to the reference documentation. This will be a list of all classes relevant to the example. In this case, we just have payload services. Clicking on the link opens a browser, and I can see all the methods and properties for this class, along with descriptions about what each property holds. To see the code required to get the information that's being displayed on the form, take note of the code number in the example. In this case, it's PS001. Stop the project from running. In the Solution Explorer, find the relevant folder. In this case, it's the payload folder. Then find the example using the code number and open it. In the code behind the form is everything you need to know to get this information into your own application. There are extensive comments explaining everything, and at the top of each example is an overview.